They work me till 3. And I got money off the teachers who wanted a piece of me. After all, it's all selling things, and I'm supposed to survive. Unless it is a piece of, unless it is a piece of me. In the end, there's always fashion, keeps you grounded like what's happening here. Oh, it's just a piece of my head. Oh, it's just a piece of my head. Oh, it's just